Ever wondered how viral AI POV videos rack up millions of views? Want to create viral AI POV videos like these? Whether it's historical, futuristic, or cinematic first-person storytelling, today I'm showing you step-by-step how to create mind-blowing AI POV videos that capture millions of views. No skills needed. No expensive software. Just AI. Stay till the end and I'll also show you how to monetize them. The best POV videos make the viewer feel like they are inside a story. Think of historical POV. POV, it's 1943 and you're on a secret mission. You open a letter from the future. You have been betrayed. Sci-fi POV. POV, you wake up in 2075. Your entire memory has been wiped, except for a single note in your pocket that says, "Don't trust them." Fantasy POV. POV, you wake up in a medieval world, but you realize you're the villain everyone fears. Horror POV. POV, you look in the mirror and your reflection blinks, but you didn't. To generate unique AI-powered ideas, you can use ChatGPT, DeepSeek AI, Claude, or any text-based AI tool. In this video, we'll be using ChatGPT. Use this prompt. Generate 20 unique POV video ideas that fully immerse the viewer in a historical, futuristic, horror, or dystopian setting. Each idea should be fast-paced, engaging, and emotionally impactful, evoking fear, nostalgia, sadness, or excitement. The concepts should be compelling enough to spark curiosity and keep the audience hooked. Pick the one that excites you the most. Tip: the best videos make people feel something: fear, nostalgia, sadness, excitement. Now we need a short script. It should be visual, engaging, and action-driven so AI can generate strong images. Use this ChatGPT prompt. For this POV idea, create a short 60-second cinematic script written in the first-person perspective. The script should feature fast-paced action, vivid descriptions, and an immersive atmosphere. It must include a strong hook to grab attention, rising tension to maintain engagement, and an unexpected twist or shocking ending to leave a lasting impression. Want a copy of all the exact AI prompts I used in this video? Comment AI prompts below and I'll send you the Google Docs link. Now let's break the story into clear, structured scenes. ChatGPT can generate a scene breakdown using this prompt. Break down the following script into detailed scenes. Each scene should include vivid descriptions of emotions, expressions, key moments, setting, atmosphere, and lighting. Ensure that each scene captures the core mood and narrative intensity. Each key moment in our script becomes a separate scene for AI image generation. For high-quality AI images, we need detailed prompts that include scene description, lighting and atmosphere, camera angle and depth, style and realism. Use this prompt. Best AI tools for image generation. Leonardo AI, best for cinematic realism. Midjourney, best for artistic style. Stable Diffusion, best for custom fine-tuning. We'll be using Leonardo AI. Steps. Sign up for Leonardo AI, you get 150 free credits daily. Copy and paste your detailed prompts into the generator. Use the Phoenix 1.0 or Flux Dev model for high-quality results. Set aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for short-form videos. Click Generate and wait for your images. Tweak the images until they match your vision. Static images are boring, so let's make the POV video feel alive with AI animation. Use tools like Kling AI, Hailuo AI, RunwayML. In this video I'll be using Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI has a free plan available. It requires an email sign-up and provides 1,100 free credits on your first sign-up. Simply upload your images, apply movement and adjust transitions for a smooth animation. Choose the image to video option. Go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt and generated for the scene, and paste them into Hailuo AI. Select the 12v01 Director New for the best cinematic results. Then click Generate. This will take a few minutes to an hour depending on what subscription plan you're using. Hailuo AI will give you the best results. You'll be amazed how powerful these AI is and it's free to use. Do this for all your images. For copyright-free music and sound effects, use Pixabay, thousands of free tracks. Suno AI, create your own music. YouTube Audio Library, copyright safe. Pick the perfect soundtrack for your video. For this video I'll use Suno AI. Go to Suno AI. Sign up for an account if you don't have one already. Click the music icon. Turn on the custom and instrumental options. Copy and paste the detailed music prompts or style generated by ChatGPT for your script into the generator. Remember, we only need instrumental music, not lyrics. Paste only the style of music for the script. Give your track a title. Click Create. Wait a few moments and your song will be ready. Download the track in MP3 format. And there you go. You now have copyright-free music for your videos without needing to create the songs yourself, all for free. Now let's bring it all together. Import AI animated images. Add music and sync it with the scenes. Adjust colors and add cinematic effects. Apply slow zoom-ins for dramatic effect. Add text. Keep it engaging with smooth transitions, sound effects, and soft background music. Tip: the first 3 seconds of your video must hook viewers to keep them engaged. For the best results, export in 4K at 60 frames per second with a high bitrate. Once your video goes viral, here's how to make money. YouTube ad revenue. Monetize after 1K subscribers and 4K watch hours. Affiliate marketing. Link AI tools in your description. Sponsorships. Brands will pay for AI content promotion. Selling templates and prompts. Create a paid Notion/Google Docs guide. I've compiled all the AI prompts I used in this tutorial into a free Google Doc. Find the link in the description. If this tutorial helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more AI content. Thank you for watching.